Hello, welcome back to the Canvas Whisper. Have you ever felt like you are not good enough, like something is broken inside you? Today, I'll show you how to turn that feeling into art. We are creating a mandala with the message, "The broken crayons still color." A reminder that no matter what, you still have the power to create beauty in your life. So, let's get started. I started with a simple square sheet. For the base color, I chose a bright orange because orange symbolizes energy, creativity, and hope. Even when life feels heavy, warm, and color reminds us that light exists within us. On one side of the paper, I began drawing a half mandala. Mandalas are not just patterns, they represent wholeness, balance, and harmony. Even though this mandala is half, it tells us something powerful. Life does not have to be perfect to be beautiful. I am filling the mandala with petals, loops, and small details using a black pen. Each line is a reminder that even small, broken pieces can come together to form something meaningful. The beauty of mandala art is in the patience and repetition. It's like meditation on paper. On the other side, I wrote, "Broken crayons still color." This quote has always been close to my heart. This means that no matter what challenges or scars you carry, your essence, your ability to shine, remains untouched. Just like a broken crayon can still create a vibrant art, so can we. This artwork is more than lines and colors. It reminds us that no matter how broken we feel, our creativity, our kindness, and light still matters. Art has the power to heal, and today, with this mandala, we are whispering that truth back to you. If if this artwork spoke back to you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more soulful art tutorials. And don't forget to tell me in comments what's the one thing in your life that felt broken but still gave you the courage and strength to bounce back. Till then, bye.